Ice cream lovers, Steve Christensen's my name. Welcome to this session of Scoop School. Nice to have you here. We're broadcasting from Wildwood, Missouri, a little bit west of St. Louis. We'd love to see you in our facility one day. Coming to a class, doing some consulting, custom class maybe. I want to talk today a little bit about the process of eliminating artificial colors from your ice cream. Bit of a focus on this in the news of late. I do want to thank our episode sponsor who is dovetailed into this, Green Mountain Flavors. Thank you, Stan and the crew up there, for your episode sponsorship. Their link is down below. All natural flavors, all natural colors. Okay, so the IDFA, the International Dairy Foods Association, has really lent into this clean label initiative, and they made a statement the other day basically saying that by December 31, 2027, they're getting a commitment from a lot of major ice cream companies to phase out artificial colors. And the statement said colors like red 3, red 40, green 3, blue 1 and 2, yellow 1 and 6 from ice cream ingredients. Now, what does that mean for the ice cream maker that is watching these videos or perhaps wanting to get into the business? I think it's a good thing so far as wanting to keep our ice cream clean as it can be. Just wanted to reiterate too, and both the statements and the stuff you read online, is that the FDA have approved, the Food and Drug Administration have approved those colors. So it's not like they're banned. It just means that ice cream manufacturers, these particularly large ice cream manufacturers, want to move away from those artificial colors. And you may be using products, we use products in the facility here, some of this super red food coloring we use for different products. I mean, this has got red 3 in it. The blue that we use for our Superman ice cream has blue 1 in it, and they're two of the colors that these larger companies are phasing out. So again, in the press release, they're talking about a lot of options or alternatives which are all natural. And Green Mountain Flavors, for example, make a spirulina, which is blue. And there are companies like Green Mountain Flavors that are actually leaning into this whole process of either organic or all natural colors and flavors. So again, 1st of January 2028 is when these larger companies are rolling into it. It's a couple of years away, so you may want to have a look at the way you make ice cream and say, well, am I comfortable using some of the ingredient bases that I am? Or do I start looking at some of the recipes that I can convert maybe to a little bit more of a clean label or all natural process? Interested in your comments. Are you already leaning towards all natural? Are you happy to stick with the artificial? What does your customer base look and think about your product? I'd love to hear your comments on your current practices and maybe practices beyond January 2028. Again, options, all natural product, Green Mountain Flavors are down below here. Click on their link. Also down below there, you've got our TikTok link, you've got our Instagram link. We put all different type of content on those two platforms. Look, Scoop School's down there as well. Click on it, see what we do. We'd love to see you in class. Thanks for joining us. Looking forward to your comments. Keep on scooping, folks. See you in the next one.